It's so soothing. It's really coming down. I know for people that get a lot of rain, this is nothing special. We don't get a lot of rain. It's been a long time coming. This is actually our third day in a row. And right now, this is the most we've had. It's been about 10 minutes. So far today, I saw the cardinal in the backyard, the red one, and I've seen a couple of squirrels. Actually, I've seen one squirrel in a couple of places, and I don't think it was Rocky, but it was too far away to really tell. And of course, the lizards and the, I can't even think of what, the butterfly. Of course, the couple butterflies are always around. I was expecting to see more animals today, though. I was expecting to hear more birds, but it's just been really quiet.